Alright, so this display won't turn on. You probably did something to it, but I'm gonna show you how to turn it on right here. Turn it on, you hold these two buttons right here at the same time. You turn it on and off. Alright, like this. And the thing should come up. Now if you turn it off, it's gonna have the same problem, so do it again. And you're gonna have to open the P settings. Go all the way to 98. 98 is the kickstart. Go press the M twice, then press it again, then hold it to confirm. Then you click both of these. And then when you turn it on, it should work normal.